Without ever having taken any art classes, I just felt like this is what I'm meant to do with my life. And so my first art gallery, Wanru Hualong. So my name in Chinese is Xie Wanru. And I started the gallery, and one of my first artists that I met is Lian Jianxing Lao Si. So Lian Jianxing Lao Si, he's one of the first artists, very, very famous in Taiwan. So this is his painting here, and also as you walk in, the painting that says, I love Taipei. And curators have coined his work as desolate magical realism. And so it's a realism technique but with a lot of imagination. And he's being collected by world-class museums in Taiwan. And also very famous as an abstract artist. So you see, as you walk into the gallery, the piece in red, that is his artwork. And also the smaller pieces behind you over there. So that's Tao Wenyu Lao Si. And then we also have Tai Yu Lao Si. So she's the one that painted the beautiful peonies in the back there. There's the round paintings. And she loves to capture the peony flower at its most beautiful. And so you can enjoy it for a long time. Washington, and just really happy that she can join us. She also has her student artwork in the back room there. So this is our amazing group of artists here today, and I'm so happy to see you all. And we have a very, very, very special performance. So